Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A90 5G and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right. So here we are. Now let's move to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. In the video mode, we have the video settings at the first place, with the video stabilization at the last position in this category. So by using this button here, we can easily turn it off and another tap to turn it on, like that, as we need. And also when we go back to the camera preview, we have one extra button which is here. By just one tap we can turn on super steady stabilization and another tap to turn it off. So this is one extra thing from the device to stabilize our video. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.